we are continuing to app no buyer and come on just appreciate it for what it is. Politics in Timu making now we app there and not the Abeiku Santana be now tourism leader we oh ba we are adwuma pa na streaming app no a good app pa into what you were lying to Ghanaian just for power.
Abuja for mami na makwaba e de ba Ghana and TV so but more this be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification so the next time videos of this nature we also say bit makabi so the munim ne femi Mr. President mo adaroma ntina me wa ti bon mo de so be video no be subscribe no watch wa your comments ko ye abusua ti nyina ye chechera adwen ne nyina target NPP beba power ti boy ne so ye boy NPP ne nyina na ye ko no say this is the most active NPP platform on social media. If by chance you want to sponsor, so boy, we have background here, kakaka, madaroma, any more, kakaka, you go so, where Mike, kakaka, be episode, when you might be a come up, so boy, light, BBI, you can reach out to me. No matter that's okay, so Mr. President, whatever you want to give out, I'll receive it, I'm gonna get it, and many best of pounds, so, madaroma. Now, Abeiku Santana, my friend, mammy. Abeiku Santana. If you say growing up, one of the names I bet say yeah, na Abeiku Santana come, and the kind of respect mahabo for Abeiku Santana. I say eso tia na eti. The kind of respect nyadema Abeiku Santana busia eso tia na eti. The way I used to see him. So the first name who so bu no ho say mu ni say no oka no kre no meni ti na meni bi no Debbie, I'm trying my best not to use words because some because me use words na o makomom sisi ya no a abusia emwa de ti emwa na say na me bu Abeiku Santana no na me expect obi di Ghana brosa abusia mu kan ye mere bidu ya Dr. Baumia launch music app say okwa abrocha ye wo Spotify music say den day abrofini omo app your audio mark wo streaming apps are generating money for the country and for those business people Tibaumia his own knowledge and wisdom sabi wa me consult Abeiku Santana because ko ba no kwampa ko nyanyansa bi enfini ho in his own knowledge and wisdom and understanding and we said that it will be better we develop applications streaming apps streaming sites specifically for Ghana music. So the basic can be generating be count my name. That's can be generating. I mean higher proportions be artists for no. No, there couldn't have been any better generation than this. In Abeiku Santana man be politicizes how idea we and my Ghana for by idea we go and my Ghana for diba me ho. Even Abeiku Santana e ko travel dey say we am abusu na MPP ni ja MPP na be di NDC echi NDC dey papa eti Abeiku Santana papa ni mponie ai ene ne bone dey yempa hu because enye na rahusem ne abotefo sempai wo mu ne say na Abeiku Santana benya appointment na o kan ko say saba o me idea na o dey buy ne so one of the most brainiest, the most nicest, the most finest and the most impactful ideas ever. So does that mean that it's a new brand in a packet specimen coming out of the opportunity and all the guys had no yeah oh some of them would Ghana for did that Ghana for you one year do yes you best sure also it's Ghana for so a catch or margin Abusia they be a Ghana it's women couldn't correct Ghana for so joint we ba Mr. President Mr. Mama joint because my trip margin to this pool my bonny bed I may be teaching much them.
But we are continuing to app no buyer and come on just appreciate it for what it is. Politics in Timu making now we app there and not the Abeiku Santana be now tourism leader we oh but we are adwuma pa na streaming app no a good app pa into what you were lying to Ghanaian just for power. Seriously? What do we see? Where do we find ourselves now? Shadia. NDC for the Ghana Sochin will be here. NDC and to me and C Bank of Ghana office. 10 years pa. John Mahama bar first or Konena banks e gugu. On see office be here. Nana Kufuado aba. OCC offices. 10 years pa. We see Biama law for. We see Biama Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Local Government, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Nini now, these are ministries are not only new offices. So ministries are mabubu na local government, not only new offices. Na do nebe si ministry di amomuni na. Mokai Bank of Ghana building, na do Eco Commission here. Mo say dia NDC for kai. And then I say mo. Erudite, sometimes I get disappointed because of the citizens of Ghana. I don't make sir. Ebra you see Bank of Ghana, a diner de ma omono. c0u. And this is for Babonting, as usual. Nothing is good if it is MPP that did it, and you good. So they started peddling falsehood into the system. Me boy. Oh, Anna, Bank of Ghana, dear, no come boy, dear. Okay. Omo de no boy sa na nanado Eco Kate Eco Commission here afiti here. Nanado ko commission edifice ni wie here. Ama be boa Ghana for. Ama ya service how are you tutu ye sika sem ni ade akoyi ya. Guess what happened? And this force building ni ye wie ye. Omu wie ye. Omo boa. Omo totals, omo ye light, omo ye say ye wie ye. Or catch ya. No man, you see some of these things, daddy, sometimes I understand why you want to just, see people off. Because when you think about how I end this before the Ghana, Unity agro, and they still want you to believe, say, like you are that foolish. It doesn't make sense. Mokai sa me call Ghana, mene Prince David J. Sakwara, mene Nikosha Kasapa FM. Samokai, those of you who watch the live, and they don't care about the Bank of Ghana. Oba Santos, on the host 2 yen. Our Kasapa, on the host 2 yen.
So my point is that let us be careful. Yeah, Makacho say we are NDC near. Don't be happy with certain things. Now no obi ko bisa question. I must say onye Johnny Papa. And then you are there. Me who ye 24. Sir Kevin. Ebiena no. I want this CID in what capacity? We are why? Hey, no. You all want this CID. So we are why? No. Me person me who say, you see, and you maybe I'm a person me can, but me person me nyaneti say he is nobody to even decide. They say, well, one will be, who will be in what capacity? What's your America? Yeah, tia me cool. They be America say, me the police you, me peer. What you say? And so it is easy for you to stay somewhere and then shout and all those things. It's because of Kasa. Government for any appointees for any be thrown into which is normal. Wow. Oh yeah. Which is not because yes we are and I don't doubt his influence or the NDC by but know your limits because Yera John Mahama will never ever underestimate the work of you can say Papa Kufuor. Okay, President Kufuor. You understand? President Kufuor. What did the President Kufuor? You can attack him and the policies be but to the extent so be one no catch and say, hey, no, I don't want us to repeat that. No, but I'm just saying, say it is nonsense. Wow. It is nonsense. You don't do that. Let me tell you, you don't do that. Because you are not the only man here. Just because you have platform, yeah, be being talking. But you don't do that. Now I'm disappointed. And this for Mumudine to me who say Obia say Kevin Taylor, I dear way dear, why me who you? Then you are insulting Papa Kufuor. Somebody at John Mahama to me, president to me, how do you say, on Yari, Nani Yari or baby and Koboy or Yazan? How do you say that? Papa, on Wakwaye, BBSC, over 80 something. BBSC na ontimi ntnase. Na kakra. Oyare when was final problem. Baby a wadri ye kosend home paibo. What you say? Share.
Nintina wo share President Kufuor achievement.
That is it. So okay. No can say obi tell President Kufuor adwuma ben or yeah or complete year.
Like seriously.
Yes.
Hey, wow.
And you are who fact checking Kufuor no. When me am fact checking who say there are a lot of things President Kufuor. Let me tell you, CDD report. The only president that had an approval rating of 72% and ended with 76%. It means that. Normally, or shall say next but President Kufuor, when they check it, CDD report, I will share with you. Approval rating at that time was 72% of all exiting. 2008, now you're 76%. Being see that. President Atami Usube take here, no, by 2011, no, now 53% to say. John Mahama de by 32, and around 2016, no, a course so kakra. What they say, and a so take cry, and you can say Nana Kufuor to be found around 70 something. And on no corner about 30%.
Wow, I didn't know from.
You understand? And John Mahama the NM 60. So until me beat the record of President Kufuor. Opa check the approval rating according to Global Info Analytics. And less than 70%. What do you say? Approval rating and less than 70%. But Kufuor started with approval rating of 72%
and finished with 76.
And finished with 76% according to CDD. Let's be careful. Share your platform, share. There have been times that we have been harsh.
Exactly, you've gone overboard.
We've gone overboard. Yeah. But yet not say no. Be careful. And Agyeta say are there way there? Man can ye.
Do you expect unia kito Kevin tell us about patcho?
Or no on patcho.
Oh, okay.
Mimi no. On patcho. Me kra ni emi obi abedi matem but no ma no say me mini aketua no timi those things me na say otimi di matem o wi an maka gen say we ndi matem enu onko to aso onim say me metimi onu awoni adebo di matem sa be tra weso enti NDC fo nani age ti ade ati anam so wagi me papa koto aso ene wan to aso so we have our ways of doing our thing
me to ade e bia 10 cities na se sia no Ntumu beba. It should be about 10 points. 30 pesos.
10 pesos.
It should be about 10 pesos. It shouldn't be about 12 cities.
2 years ago, na me turn 8 cities. Then me turn 12 cities. Meanwhile, so no. Ye dollar.
I am based on the analogy. Say the rate at which the increasing. Say me 2024, 23%. And you know, if a Nyama be increasing, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a border also be count. I say a content term.
I could tell you, Nyama, you did so me a day to Nyama Munina Bafom. What is the basis?
Basic thing.
Say, I was a deal with your tomb. Petro, you the Lord fair at what you may walk on tap. Say the Lord fair to him. When you punish Nyama, no, you know. So, quack or faddy a quack or goodness shop or the gookem. Car now the goom no car ni to petro it was to petro ni ato petro mo or beto lord fame and then yen to petro yen c0usin.
That's right.
The what it is a me top pure water 8 cities 2 years ago and now a year ago necessary time now not a inflation one your top petro 14 cities a liter and then petro nam ebia 13 and 12 na inflation nam 23% na dollar nam 15 cedis any other day na me to enokra no na me to pure water e bag ba ko 8 cedis na se nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis
aba
15 cedis aba 11 petrol no ate
aba be 2 cedis a free
yes inflation no ate by 20%
point
na se still here to pure water ni ma ko 12 cedis here. What is the basis amode to sadie manum still na PURC for ebe catch say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo. What is the basis mujina so e dey increase light bill and water bill because ECG ne Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, na mudi jina so. Mani wansa ni amani ngina aba from. It is just so for no beside this question. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to ask legitimate question. He did not ask out of ignorance.
Me Pacho Mankasa he asked out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say me say